Enhance your golfing experience with the best golf trolleys designed for convenience and efficiency on the course. These essential accessories simplify transporting your clubs and gear, allowing you to focus on your game. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best golf trolleys you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which outdoor recreation topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The KVV 3-wheel golf push cart is engineered for golf enthusiasts seeking convenience and performance on the course. Its height-adjustable handle is ergonomically designed, accommodating users of various heights from teenagers to adults, allowing for comfortable pushing positions during play. Equipped with 9.5-inch front wheels and 2 robust 11.5-inch rear wheels, all featuring ball bearings, the cart ensures a smooth ride and excellent traction on diverse terrains, enhancing mobility regardless of course conditions. Constructed from a lightweight yet durable aluminum frame, the cart boasts impressive sturdiness while weighing only 13.6 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. The KVV cart also features upper and lower brackets with elastic straps, which are compatible with golf bags of any size. The innovative quick fold mechanism simplifies the process of collapsing the cart for storage or transport, making it an essential companion for golfers who value both functionality and ease of use on the course. The SereneLife 4-wheel golf push cart is the ultimate companion for golfers seeking convenience and durability on the course. Crafted from a heavy-duty aluminum frame, this cart is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use while supporting a maximum weight of 33 pounds. Its sleek, black and red design not only adds a touch of style, but also complements any golfer's gear. Ergonomically designed for comfort, the padded handle is adjustable in height, accommodating golfers of all sizes and ensuring a comfortable pushing position. The 3 ball-bearing wheels offer exceptional maneuverability, allowing for smooth navigation across various terrains, from fairways to roughs. A key highlight is the user-friendly braking system that secures the cart in place when parked, providing peace of mind during breaks. Additionally, the SereneLife cart enhances practicality with a deluxe scorecard holder, a spacious storage compartment for essentials, and a cup holder to keep beverages close at hand. The Lakehood golf push cart combines style and functionality, designed for golfers seeking an efficient and durable solution on the course. Crafted with a robust, heavy-duty aluminum frame, this push cart supports an impressive range of golf bags and clubs, thanks to its adjustable upper and lower brackets equipped with elastic straps. One of the standout features is its height-adjustable handle, offering 4 positions to suit golfers of various heights, making it perfect for both teenagers and adults. Maneuvering this cart is effortless, thanks to its 3 durable wheels that provide excellent traction across diverse terrains. The user-friendly brake system allows for quick engagement and release with a simple foot tap, ensuring you maintain control at all times. The Lakehood golf push cart is also designed for convenience, featuring a foldable structure for easy storage and transport. Assembly is a breeze. Just insert the 3 wheels and you're ready to go. It includes a scorecard holder, storage compartment, cup holder, and a mesh net along with a cooler bag, all integrated into the cart. The Clicgear Model 4.0 golf bag cart combines functionality and convenience, making it an essential companion on the golf course. Crafted from aircraft-grade, scratch-resistant aluminum, this cart is lightweight at just 21 pounds yet exceptionally durable. It features maintenance-free airless tires that allow for effortless maneuverability across various terrains. When it's time to pack up, the cart folds down to a compact size of 13 by 15 by 24 inches, ensuring easy storage and transport. Designed for universal fit, the Model 4.0 incorporates an infinitely adjustable silicone strap system that secures your golf bag, while the adjustable upper saddle accommodates bags of virtually any size. The lower saddle support prevents any rubbing against the front wheel, maintaining the integrity of your equipment. Additionally, this cart offers abundant storage solutions, including a built-in console for scorecards, golf balls, pencils, and tees, alongside a large storage net for personal items. A user-friendly parking handbrake secures the cart in place when stationary. The Bagboy Nitron pushcart revolutionizes your golfing experience with its remarkable blend of functionality and innovative design. Featuring auto-open technology, this cart allows for effortless setup, enabling you to hit the course with minimal delay. In just one simple motion, it collapses for easy transport and storage, making it a perfect companion for both casual and competitive golfers. Equipped with top-lock technology, the Nitron ensures a secure connection between your golf bag and cart, providing peace of mind as you navigate the fairways. The thoughtful storage design includes an accessory bag, cup holder, umbrella holder, and mobile device holder, keeping your essentials organized and within easy reach. Designed for smooth navigation, the Nitron's three-wheel system features low-resistance tires with front wheels measuring 9.5 inches and rear wheels at 11 inches, allowing for a seamless ride across various terrains. Its compact design ensures that when your game is over, the cart can be stored easily without taking up valuable space. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.